Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I sleek my hair into a low bun. So I'm going to be working with freshly washed hair, and you can see this is shrinkage, casually showing me that I have no say for now. Anyways, I'm separating my hair in order to make a middle part, and if you're like me and you struggle with getting a straight line, then you just have to do the trick of starting from your forehead like I just did, and you see the magic. So now I'll go in with my little comb just to make the middle part more visible. And like I said, I'm going in with freshly washed hair, so my hair is wet and I don't need to spray water. But if yours is not wet, then you need to put water on your hair. So I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to use that to moisturize my hair. Don't forget to moisturize your hair because your hair needs moisture always. Then I'll be sectioning my hair into 4. And if your hair is short or long, anyhow, it doesn't matter. But if you want to section it, it mustn't be like 4. You can do into 3, you can do into 6, you can do into 2. It just depends on the one that works better for you, that makes your sectioning easier. Still sectioning, and I'm struggling. As you can see, the struggle is real because I have oil on my hand. My advice to you is that before you start adding products, that you should section your hair, because if you don't do that, then it will be a lot of stress. So to save yourself the stress, just section your hair before putting your products on. And I'll be using hair wax for this video. I use hair wax all the time, but even if you don't have hair wax but you have gel, you can use gel. But for me, I always use hair wax. So I'm going to just be applying the hair wax to my palm, and I'm going to rub it, then place it on my hair. Then after I place it evenly, then I brush. That's all we'll be doing. So don't forget to put hair wax at the back of your hair, because those sides are going to show, so you need it to be neat. So you have to put hair wax there, then you brush your hair. And now I just packed that side, and I'm moving on to the second section, and I'm just going to do the same thing, which is applying the hair wax to my hair, to my palm, rubbing it, then applying it to my hair evenly, then I brush. So why I apply my hair wax to my palm before putting it on my hair is because this hair wax, it has this thick consistency, so I like applying it to my palm before my hair. If you don't do that, or if you don't apply it in bits on your hair, then you're going to just see that when your hair dries off, it's going to have flakes, which will not look cool at all. So you just need to brush and you brush and you brush. You need to work those hands, baby. You really do. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I would love you guys to do that. Please don't forget. Thank you. Now back to the video. So I'm just doing the same thing that I've been talking about, applying the wax to my palm, rubbing it, then applying it to my hair, and you brush. You just brush. That's just all. So I'm working on the third section now, as you can see, and I'm just trying to see if my part is still neat. So my hairband just had to cut from nowhere, and I'm just packing the 3 sections that I've done into one because I'm done with it, and I'm going to the next section, which is the 4th one, and we're still doing the same thing. So I'm just going to say, be careful when you're taking down your clamps for sectioning. Even if you don't have clamps, you can use hairband, but just be careful so your hair doesn't cut. So I'm done applying my hair wax all over. So what I'm just doing is I'm just brushing all of it into a ponytail. So one thing I've learned is that you need to apply the hair wax or gel, anyone that you're using, you need to apply it to the center of your hair so that that side doesn't get bumpy, because when you apply it to your front and you leave your middle or the center, you're just going to be seeing that the front is all sleek and the middle is just bumpy, and that side makes your head look big and it's not so cool. It doesn't look nice at all. So as you can see, I was struggling with hairbands. I don't know who I offended, but I just found out I was struggling with hairbands. The first 2 had cut, then the 3rd one was so it was just loose actually, so it was so hard to make my hair sleek, so I had to change it to a rubber band. And if you're using a rubber band, my advice to you is that when taking down the rubber band, you should be careful, else you're going to pull off hair as you're going to take the rubber band off. So that's all we're just doing. We're just brushing and brushing and brushing, because that does the magic. That's like maybe the 2nd or the 3rd magic. So I'm just using an old toothbrush to lay my edges. I don't do a lot for my edges, and it's fine if you don't even want to lay your edges, just brush it and let it be neat. So I'm also using the hair wax to lay my edges. So what you just do is you just swoop. You bring a bit, then you swoop, then you bring a bit, you swoop, and in between this you apply the hair wax to your brush. Relax, love, I'm not done. So I'm going to tie my scarf now and leave it on for 10 minutes, and you're going to see a different magic. So since I'm leaving my scarf on for 10 minutes, I'm going to use that time to work on my faux bun. I'm going to use it to get my faux bun ready. So I'm going to be using the Mali braids. I've used this braid 3 times to do a bun and other styles. So I have like 8 strands there, and what I'm just going to do is I'm going to condition it first to make it soft. Then you fold it into 2, and you put like a small one, like a separate one. You just take it and use it to tie Yeah, so you just take it and use it to tie the 8 strands, and that's all. I got this my Mali braids from a beauty supply store, so you can do same. And so now I'm going to take down my scarf. Can you see that? Oh my god, all laid. Yeah. So like I said, if you want to leave it, it's fine. Like if you want to leave your mini bun, like your bun that way, it's fine. But if you want to go all the way and you want to use like a faux bun, it's still fine. Anyone that works for you. Most times I leave mine just like this, but when I'm going somewhere serious and I want to do this style, then I use my faux bun. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to tie our Mali braids around our mini bun, and you have to secure it well. You can see me, I think I tied it about 3 times. Yes, I did 3 times. So now I'm just going to be twisting both ends. I feel whenever I do this, it just makes it look more natural. Feeling myself thinking that's my hair. Anyways, I need to get back to reality. So you hold your mini bun and you put your faux bun around it. I don't know if you get this, but you just put your faux bun around this, and when doing this, you gradually push your hair inside. So all I'm just going to do is use my little comb to just be extra and put a bit of oil so that it shines, and that's all. You have your hair laying flat and sleek. This tutorial is so straightforward and easy. It's my go-to hairstyle and I really like it because it's so easy to maintain. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love you to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you have any questions or this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to put on the post notification for my channel so you see more videos from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.